and me.
Yeah, we're gonna put that in one. We're gonna put that in one.
Right.
Yeah, that's why I asked.
Oh. Hi.
Hi!
It's too bright out here. Too bright. I have duct tape. Look at my duct. Alright, I don't even know what I'm doing. Well, apparently they aren't ready yet. Oh. That's not a raft. That is, it's a waterboard.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, he is a full-fledged terrorist.
Give me the candy or die.
This is not good. Take the duct tape. It's all I have.
Oh, I found a handbag.
Well, I better not waste all the minutes recording the intro, so...
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see you then.
No, flail, flail.
No, but how to do that?
No, jump around harder. Stop. You know what? I'm done.
Kill me! So as you can see, we're at the track of the thing, the element of the thing. So, have you ever seen so much swag? Because I know I haven't. Oh, don't do that. Oh gosh. Dun dun dun! At least you tried.
This will be military.
You're funny. No, I know what this scene will be.
What we're going to use these for.
What?
Military training on how to blend in as the opposite gender. Okay, make sure you can fully instruct when you're thinking you are actually female. Okay. Let's do it.
Are you ready to join the CIA? That's my old Nope. One more time. This looks like an abandoned warehouse. Who are you? I know. No. I thought this was an abandoned warehouse. Wait a minute! He got away! Follow him! Hurry up, man! We don't want to get him away.
We can edit that later.
To go down? Yes, I didn't know that. So we read. I love you, man. That's so cool. Oh, you. He's so funny.
I almost forgot.
No! So, do you have it? I do. This is blank. Well, what else did you expect? Security? Oh, dang it, I meant. Do I say something? Oh, gosh, man.
grandma's burritos.
Who are you? What? Who are you? Hey,
fail.
I know. Okay. Well, that was pretty easy. That one kind of surprised me right here. Okay, which one is it?
James. Why do you need those files anyway?
That's none of your business.
Crap, I messed up. Sorry. Grant, you do it.
Just tell me, bro. You should tell him, bro! Come on, guys, fight right here, right now. IRL, right here.
It's nice to have you back.
Come on, guys, fight right here, IRL, right here, right now.
Nice to have you back.
You like stupid? That guy was smart. He knew my password for my computer. No. But wait, should we dispose of that piece of garbage?
I don't think we need to. He works at McDonald's. No one loves him. No one would even care.
In 3, 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So Rowan, come back here real quick. Come back here.
When I say go, Henry, just start punching, and then when you hear us stop walking or at your discretion, just kind of, the mysterious hello.
Alright.
Oh, wait,
That's all.
I don't know.
This one scene.
Well, didn't he punch and it like shook the whole thing?
Oh.
The camera to fall. Maybe just kind of lightly do it. Like it could.
You can just kind of,
Not this time.
Okay.
kind of air punch.
Or I'll go to
No,
like.
no, you can just stop
Alright.
like you can just do like one fake punch, like you stopped mid punch and you got up thoughtfully.
Alright.
Okay, so ready, go.
Greetings.
Who are you?
Blank.
I think you just scream like, oh!
Yeah, it's the nature of fear, so. And like, it goes for me, I'm like taking myself.
Okay.
Funny thing is, I don't believe in balls.
Go.
So, we took out the boss.
You're right, Josiah. We did. But it doesn't seem like we got any actual information from him.
You're right, James. We didn't find the boss's boss. We don't even know where he could be.
Oh, this is so complicated. If only I could just remember.
Wait, remember. You don't have your memories back. Not all of them.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do the whole movie.
But see, you know more about them than even Queerzo. You could take them down if you remember.
He's got a point.
He does.
I do.
Indeed.
You do.
Indeed.
So, how are we gonna fix that problem?
Well, I have a machine that could say help you jog your memory.
I'd be interested in seeing this machine.
Let's take a look.
Hey guys, I found this. No? Okay, well, let's go.
Okay, let's try again. You actually.
Well, I know you have some of your memories. Which ones do you have left? I know you know who I am.
Yes, and I know who Queerzo is now, and I do know that the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
That's important. That's something you need to know.
It is. I'm sure it'll come in handy later.
But see, do you remember anything about the masks? The organization?
The mask? I know we found that note earlier, but I don't really know about a mask.
This is bad. You used to know a lot about them.
Did I really?
I think you actually met the boss on one occasion, you told me, before you lost your memory.
That's crazy. I mean, it's not like I was some crazy CIA agent trying to train people to fight.
Yeah, that'd be really stupid. I mean, that's, I don't know. But, really, in the end, what are your memories going to give us? Something useful? Because if this doesn't turn up a lead at all, then we don't have anywhere to go on this.
Ah, you're right. Well, hopefully this machine's gonna help. I'd love to see who I actually was.
Good. I do too. So, what kind of memories do you have left? I mean, I know you know who I am.
Yes, and I know my name is James Gossamer, and I know that, well, that's all I know.
Darn. Well, it seems we figured out who your brother is now. Queerzo.
Queerzo.
Yes. That was a plot twist.
It was. He seems like a neat guy.
Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know why we've been trying to kill him this whole time.
I don't either.
But besides the fact, the masks.
Right.
Do you remember anything at all? That's it?
A mask? Well, I know that note we found had to do something with something about a waterfall. I don't know if that was a mask, though.
This is bad. You used to know more about them than anyone.
Yeah.
Because, see, you actually met their boss on one occasion. You told me this before you lost your memory.
That's crazy. It's almost like I was some sort of CIA agent who just trained people to fight. I mean, wouldn't that be hilarious?
Well, I mean, that'd be kind of funny, but I mean, what's the odds of that? I mean, honestly.
0 to none.
But see, I really hope that we can find your memories back. Not just because it'll give us information and possibly a lead on the boss, but I miss the old you. The new you is cool, but I like having memories with my brothers.
Man, I'd love to get it back. Just somehow find all of my memories. You get it? 'Cause I'm a meme!
Oh, gosh.
Shh. Embrace the shadows. Stick to stealth.
Okay, I messed up.
Haha, you thought I was dead. Okay. What happened?
I slipped here.
Oh, you fiends!
How do we fight this? It's pure evil!
We didn't tell him what to say.
Russia sounds good this time of year.